Tired of spending hours in the kitchen while juggling family meals? We've gathered the top 10 smart slow cookers that make preparing hearty dinners easy and stress-free. These cookers come with advanced features, large capacities, and programmable settings to fit any home. Perfect for busy families who want delicious meals without the hassle. Stay tuned to find the slow cooker that's right for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Gadget Nest for more smart kitchen gadgets and honest reviews. Check the description for product links and latest deals. Let's get started.
Number 1. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is a modern solution for fast and easy cooking. With built-in Wi-Fi and a smart app, you can access over 500 guided recipes directly on your phone. Its built-in scale helps you measure ingredients accurately, saving time and reducing cleanup. This 10-in-1 cooker can handle rice, slow cooking, pressure meals, steaming, and much more, making it a true replacement for multiple kitchen appliances. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families and weekly meal prep, giving you flexibility for larger meals. It also includes smart sensors that automatically adjust cooking time and temperature, ensuring delicious results every time. Cleanup is simple, thanks to its non-stick pot and dishwasher-safe parts. With its sleek black design, it fits nicely into any kitchen. If you're looking for convenience, efficiency, and technology in one appliance, the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is an excellent choice for everyday meals. Number 2. Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1. The Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1 is one of the most versatile cookers on the market. It replaces up to 10 different appliances, including a rice cooker, pressure cooker, steamer, yogurt maker, and even a sous vide machine. With Wi-Fi, you can control it through the app, which gives you access to over 800 recipes. This makes trying new dishes easier than ever. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for families and small gatherings, allowing you to cook generous meals in less time. Its advanced safety features and modern design make it reliable for daily use. The Keep Warm function ensures your food stays ready until mealtime, while the Sauté mode allows you to cook all in one pot. Cleanup is easy thanks to the dishwasher-safe parts. If you want a dependable, feature-rich, and smart cooking device, the Instant Pot Pro is a strong option for any home cook.
Number 3. Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro. The Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro is a 6-in-1 powerhouse designed for serious home cooks. With its extra-large 8.5-quart capacity, this cooker is perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. It combines multiple cooking methods, including sous vide, slow cooking, proofing, and more. One of its standout features is the oven-safe pot, which can handle temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows you to move dishes straight from the cooker to the oven without changing containers. The glass lid makes it easy to monitor food, while the integrated spoon ensures you always have the right tool within reach. The design replaces the need for a Dutch oven, slow cooker, and other bulky tools, saving valuable kitchen space. Cleanup is simple since the pot and accessories are dishwasher safe. With precise cooking control, large capacity, and smart features, the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro is ideal for anyone who loves cooking flavorful, family-style meals. Number 4. Crock-Pot 7-quart Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 7-quart Slow Cooker is a classic choice for families and gatherings. With its large capacity, it easily cooks hearty meals for everyone at the table. The programmable timer allows you to set your cooking time, making meal preparation hands-free and stress-free. Once the cooking cycle is complete, the slow cooker automatically shifts to warm mode, keeping food ready to serve. Its locking lid adds extra convenience, especially when transporting food to parties, potlucks, or family events. Made with durable stainless steel, this slow cooker not only performs well, but also looks stylish in any kitchen. Cleanup is simple, as the removable stoneware and lid are dishwasher safe. Whether you're preparing soups, stews, or roasts, the crock-pot ensures even cooking and consistent results. It's a trusted tool for busy households that value convenience, portability, and flavorful homemade meals with minimal effort.
Number 5. Hamilton Beach 6-quart Set and Forget Slow Cooker. The Hamilton Beach 6-quart Set and Forget Slow Cooker takes convenience to the next level with smart features. Its digital programmable timer makes setting cook time simple, and the included temperature probe ensures meats and dishes are cooked to perfection every time.
This feature is especially useful for roasts and poultry, taking away the guesswork. The secure lid lock makes it easy to transport meals without spills, whether for family dinners or gatherings. With dishwasher-safe stoneware and lid, cleanup is fast and hassle-free. The sleek black stainless design adds a modern touch to any kitchen and blends seamlessly with other appliances. At 6 quarts, it's the perfect size for everyday meals and batch cooking. By combining reliability, precision, and portability, the Hamilton Beach Set and Forget Slow Cooker is an excellent solution for busy households that want tasty, home-cooked meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Number 6. Crock-Pot Large 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot Large 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker is designed for families who love big, homemade meals with minimal effort. Its generous capacity easily handles stews, roasts, soups, and more, making it perfect for gatherings or meal prepping. The programmable settings allow you to set cooking time and temperature in advance, giving you flexibility in the kitchen. Once cooking is done, the auto warm feature keeps your meal hot until you're ready to serve. The sleek black stainless steel exterior adds a modern touch to any kitchen while ensuring durability. Cleaning is simple thanks to the removable stoneware insert that is dishwasher safe. This slow cooker delivers even cooking and rich flavors every time. Whether you're a busy parent or someone who enjoys preparing meals ahead of time, this crockpot offers convenience, reliability, and the ability to cook delicious meals with little supervision.
Number 7. Instant Pot Superior Cooker 7.5 QT. The Instant Pot Superior Cooker 7.5 QT is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make meal preparation effortless, combining 4 essential cooking functions: sauté, slow cook, steam, and keep warm. This cooker saves space and reduces clutter. The generous 7.5 quart capacity makes it perfect for families and dinner gatherings. Its simple controls and clear settings make it beginner-friendly, while still offering precision for experienced cooks. Sautéing and roasting directly in the pot adds flavor without extra pans, while slow cooking tenderizes meats for delicious results. The steaming function provides a quick way to cook vegetables and grains. Once cooking is complete, the Keep Warm mode keeps your food ready to serve. Cleaning is hassle-free thanks to the dishwasher-safe pot. Compact and reliable, the Instant Pot Superior Cooker delivers quality results with convenience, making it a trusted choice for busy kitchens that value both taste and efficiency. Number 8. Aroma Housewares Aroma Professional 20-Cup Rice Cooker. The Aroma Housewares Aroma Professional 20-Cup Digital Rice Cooker is perfect for families, meal prepping, or cooking for gatherings. With 10 smart cooking modes, this versatile appliance can steam, slow cook, sauté, and more, all in one pot. The sauté then simmer feature adds extra depth of flavor while saving time and reducing cleanup. The large 20-cup capacity allows you to cook enough rice for big families or events, making it an ideal kitchen helper. Simple digital controls and a clear display make operation easy for cooks of all skill levels. Its stainless steel design is durable, attractive, and easy to clean. Steaming vegetables while slow cooking is a breeze, making healthy meals easier to prepare. If you want a multifunctional cooker that produces perfectly cooked rice and flavorful dishes without extra effort, the Aroma Professional Rice Cooker offers great value, efficiency, and versatility in a single appliance.
Number 9. Crock-Pot 7-Quart Oval Manual Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 7-Quart Oval Manual Slow Cooker is a timeless choice for anyone who loves slow-cooked meals. Its large oval design offers plenty of space for soups, roasts, stews, and more, making it ideal for families or entertaining guests. The manual dial controls are easy to use, so you can set cooking time without fuss. Slow cooking enhances flavor and tenderness, while keeping food warm until mealtime. The stainless steel exterior adds durability, style, and easy cleaning. Its reliable performance ensures consistent results every time. Perfect for making hearty meals with minimal effort, this slow cooker saves time while producing rich, satisfying flavors. Whether for weeknight dinners or holiday gatherings, it's a versatile tool that brings convenience and comfort to any kitchen. With its generous size and simple controls, it remains a favorite for home cooks who want delicious meals without stress. Number 10. Crock-Pot 6-Quart Cook and Carry Programmable Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 6-Quart Cook and Carry Programmable Slow Cooker offers convenience for busy households. Its programmable timer allows you to set cooking times in advance, ensuring meals are ready when you are. With a large capacity, it's ideal for family dinners or meal prepping. The digital controls are easy to use, providing precision for slow-cooked dishes, while the keep warm function keeps food at the perfect temperature until serving. The secure cook and carry lid locks tightly, making it easy to transport meals without spills. Its stainless steel design is stylish, durable, and easy to clean. Dishwasher-safe stoneware makes cleanup quick and hassle-free. This slow cooker combines functionality and portability, allowing you to cook hearty, flavorful dishes without constant attention. For anyone looking to simplify meal prep and serve home-cooked meals effortlessly, the Crock-Pot Cook and Carry Programmable Slow Cooker is a reliable kitchen companion.
Thanks for watching today's top picks from Gadget Nest. If you love discovering smart kitchen gadgets that make life easier, hit that subscribe button and stay updated with our latest finds. All product links and the newest prices are in the description below, so don't miss out on these amazing deals. Have a question or a gadget you want us to review? Drop a comment. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.